These are the ingredients for our pad thai today. We have shrimp, we have tofu, we have our noodles, and we have different sauces, bean sprouts, an egg, oil, and peanuts and lime.
Dry noodle, small or medium or whatever size you like. We use medium size.
To use rice sticks, and this is the package they come in. Then you take your rice sticks, you cover them in cold water, you let them sit on a countertop for about an hour and a half. And covered?
Don't need to.
You don't need to cover it. And then after they've soaked for an hour and a half, drain the water.
Yes.
And then you can place this in the refrigerator even overnight.
First star, okay? And then prep the noodle. 3 spoons of oil.
What kind of oil they're going to want to know?
Vegetable. You need 2 spoons to spread it out. Most of the restaurants, they just put it right away or put in a hot water and put it right away. But I made these, and the customer, when I first came here and opened a small restaurant in at the medical center area, and the customer said that your pad thai is different because I need 1 cup of sauce. The sauce that we made in there, add paprika. So this is it, and you sit it for a while, and it's become dry like that. Now I'm gonna make tofu first, okay? Oil, tofu, 1 egg, and this is important. When you put egg, don't stir it too fast. Just spread it out so it become like piece. It look better. It's becoming piece like that. Stir like this. It's not nice. Can you see?
It's the tofu, right?
Yes. Same tofu. This in the store, they want it like this. And the same sauce, remember? The same sauce that I put it first time. Make it stronger. I put it here. Can I put?
What sauce is that?
The sauce is same. Same. The Thai sauce. Egg is set. You can stir it as much as you can. Just spread it out. Can I add peanut polish? The easy for the last part, but to prepare the noodle and prep noodle takes a long time. It takes time.